angle between a line and a plane, first of all we are going for the vector form. Now this is a line and this is a plane and this is a normal to the plane. Now first of all let's define it. Now, definition. Now the angle between a line and a plane is defined as the complementary of the angle, as the complementary of the angle between the line and normal to the plane So this is just a simple definition for the angles. What is angle between a line and a plane? Now let's find the formula for it. Now let equation of a line be, I have already mentioned their equation of a line is equal to vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda vector b. Let this be equation 1, and the equation of the plane and equation of a plane b, already mentioned here, this one, vector r dot vector n is equal to d. Equation 1 and one equation of a line and then equation of a plane. Now the line, that is vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda vector b. This is equation of a line. Now we can write it, the line is parallel to vector b and the plane vector r dot vector n is equal to vector d is normal to vector a. Now if theta is the angle between the given line and given plane, then now if theta is the angle between the given line and the given plane, already mentioned there, this indicates for the plane, this is line and theta is the angle. Okay. Now if theta is the angle between the given line and the given plane, then angle between vector b and vector n is given by pi by 2 minus theta, this angle, this one, this angle, pi by 2 minus theta. Now cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to vector b dot vector n upon magnitude of vector b, magnitude of vector n. Already we are knowing cos theta is equal to vector b1 dot vector b2 upon magnitude of vector b1, magnitude of vector b2. Now this is equal to sin theta is equal to vector b dot vector n upon magnitude of vector b, magnitude of vector n, or we can write it sin theta is equal to vector b dot vector n upon magnitude of vector b, magnitude of vector n. So angle between a line and a plane is hence angle between a line and a plane is sin theta is equal to vector b dot vector n upon magnitude of vector b, magnitude of vector